Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 16 of second year. Today topic is skeleton. Skeleton is hard, rigid framework of the body. It provides protection, support and shape to the body. It is composed of organic, inorganic substances and several kinds of proteins and some amount of carbohydrates. Skeleton is of three types. One is called as hydrostatic skeleton, other type is exoskeleton and other type is endoskeleton. Hydrostatic skeleton, animals lack the hard skeleton. They have water filled gastrovascular cavity or coelom. It forms the hydrostatic skeleton. It is found in the annelids, in cnidaria and soft invertebrates animals. In hydrostatic skeleton, as in the sea anemones, muscles are arranged around the body of the sea anemone, and it puts pressure on the fluid of the sea anemone, and so the body of the sea anemone get erect in stretcher. So it puts the pressure on the muscles. Hydrostatic skeleton puts the pressure on the muscles. As a result, mortality of the animal increases. Other topic is exoskeleton. Exoskeleton, it is also a hard and present outside the body of animals. It is inert, non-living, to which internal muscles are attached to the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is composed of, it has two types in its structure. One is called epicuticle, other is called as endocuticle. Epicuticle, it is formed of lipoprotein. It is barrier for the microorganisms and insects. It is impermeable to the water. Epicuticle, and below the epicuticle there is a procuticle. A bulk of skeleton present below the epicuticle is procuticle. It is composed of calcium carbonate and impregnated with silicon dioxide secularization. It makes the procuticle hard. Exoskeleton is found in the mollusks, soft-bodied animal mollusks, snails, and in bivalvia marine snails. Skeleton of the snail lack the hard minerals as calcium carbonates. Bivalvia snails, they have hard minerals, calcium carbonates. Some snails have hard minerals like calcium carbonates. In exoskeleton, mollusks grow and then they form the growth rings. They are apparent on the surface of snail in form of the rings or in form of rings in the mollusks. Exoskeleton is very complex in the other arthropods. Exoskeleton is found in form of bars and ridges for the attachment of the muscles. In the insects, they are also found at the joints as a flexible in form of the chitin. Exoskeleton is in form of the bristles or sensilla, is modified form of chitin in the insects. Exoskeleton also permits the gases exchange for the in the insects. These are the modifications that insects have adopted themselves for this type of skeleton. Lenses of eyes of insects, these are also have chitin. It is also exoskeleton. But one problem of the exoskeleton, it protects the insects from the drying and also from the enemies. But one problem of the exoskeleton, animal cannot grow within this, so they have to shed their exoskeleton and replace it with the skeleton of larger size. This process is known as ecdysis. Follow steps that are involved in the ecdysis. First of all, enzymes secreted by the hypodermal glands, they digest the epicuticle and separate it from the procuticle or endocuticle. So the pores are produced in the older skeleton, so that this skeleton gets separate from the hypodermis, and hypodermal gland secrete the new epicuticle, procuticle, endocuticle. In this way, the skeleton becomes, after that skeleton becomes hard, and in it calcium carbonate and secularization take place. The whole process is known as ecdysis. This ecdysis is controlled by a hormone called as ecdysone, and the whole process is controlled by a nervous system of the insects. Thanks for watching.